kindergarten learners who achieve the highest rank in today's commencement exercises. We have let us all welcome Azia U. Badwa, who received the Star Leader Award, who received with highest honor, Azia U. Badwa. She is also a recipient of Star Reader Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Eager Beaver Award, Neat Kid Award, Sunshine Kid Award, Brave Soul Award, Mapagbigay Award, Tinig ng Kabataan Award, Graceful Dancer Award, Kinder Body Award, Batang Masigasig Award, Batang Magalang Award, Batang Maasahan Award, Young Writer Award, Young Singer Award, Girl Scout of the Year, Majorette of the Year. That was with honor Azia U. Padua. So I'd like to request her advisor and Warren also, dahil isa siya nag-manage sa ating anak para magpakuha ng picture. So reminders, meron po tayong photographer ha. At yung nanay pala, patabi mo Warren ang nanay niya sa tabi niya. Yan. Okay na?